Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Up to half of all U.S. consumers are confused by whole grain labeling on food products such as cereal, bread, and crackers, causing them to make fewer healthy choices when shopping, according to a new study published by the journal Public Health Nutrition. Hello, I'm Sydney Perlmutter, food industry journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Nutrigenomics and the Future of Nutrition: Innovative, Clinically Validated Ingredients to Modulate Gene Expressions in the Body. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. Confused by whole grain labeling on food products? A new study suggests you're not alone. Over 1,000 U.S. consumers asked to identify the healthier options based on whole grain content made the wrong choice 47% of the time for bread, up to 37% for crackers, and 31% for cereal. The findings suggest that product labels, particularly as they relate to grain content, are confusing to consumers. Terms like multigrain, contains whole grains, honey wheat, and 12 grain can be used to tout breads, cereals, and crackers as healthier options even if the products mostly contain refined flour. The goal of this study was to find whether consumer understanding of product labels meets a legal standard for enhanced U.S. label requirements for whole grain products. The legal standard relates to deceptive advertising, and evidence that labels are misleading consumers can encourage support to changes to existing regulations. The results of the study led researchers to the conclusion that there is a strong legal argument that whole grain labels are misleading. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, Nutrigenomics and the Future of Nutrition: Innovative, Clinically Validated Ingredients to Modulate Gene Expressions in the Body. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.